Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Sharp by Design, designed by Brian Nadeau, Evo Typhoon in a beautiful tuxedo configuration. Would you look at this? And please, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's get started and see if we can improve. It's impossible. If we can improve the already ridiculously gorgeous action of this bad boy. It's just a pleasure to take this guy down. I'm sorry, Brian, I know you don't like people to take down your knives, but this is so easy. It's so, I know it's not this one, but I mean, this is so nice to take down because it's so simple. You're gonna need one T8, you take that guy down, the clip is out, you flip the knife, you just use the same bit to unscrew the pivot, which is coming off beautifully, put down this beautiful driver. You can open the blade just gently. Actually, you can keep it like this, and a gentle wiggle, it's gonna reveal something really, really cool. Look at that. Just be gentle, and tolerances here are tight, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of plastic to take this guy apart, like so. Very good. And just a gentle wiggle also on this side, which came off pretty effortlessly before. So something like that. Okay, that's out. And there you go. Oh, there's another pin, that's why. So, I mean, really, really simple construction. I love it. And we're done, guys. Like, just take out the bearing, which we're gonna clean in a second. Blade right over here. That's the pin and the ball bearing, which is done. And we're gonna just clean this guy with some alcohol. There's a little bit of grease here. You're gonna get rid of. Here you go. That's one, and that's two. Just soak some like cleaning cloth like that. Clean the pivot. We can clean the ball bearing tracks. Tang up the blade. That's pretty much it. And also here. There you go. So that's done. Very good. You can also clean this side, of course. And that is done as well. Just wipe it off. And here as well. So that is pretty much, we're done, guys. So let's put this guy back together. I just want to show you how this is indexed nicely. You see there's a little square. So this guy is basically keyed in. So it just goes, sorry, this is the other one. See? No, here. Yeah, so this goes back here, and this actually goes on the other side, so that's perfect. So let's start from here, like so. And this guy is here. Don't forget you have two pins. So one goes here, the other one goes here. There you go. And then bearings, one in. Nano oil is 1, 2, and 3 drops, like that, and in. And then you've got another little pin. Don't forget this little bugger right over there. And then you've got this in the right position, like so. Beautiful. That's in. And just another 1, 2, and 3. Very good. And then we're gonna do just a tiny bit over here on the detent. That's not a ball, it's just a detent. And then this guy goes on top. That goes matching right there. And then we're gonna do the clip first. So clip goes in place like so. And then T8 amazingly goes in like here. And then we're gonna just make sure at the end that is nice and tight. A little bit of blue Loctite, right, like that. So this guy is in. Very good. We're gonna just close this guy, put it away. And now we can actually just do some tuning, of course. So start from the back, don't over tighten it, just nice and tight. And now we're gonna tighten this guy all the way down, like so. And then we're gonna check for blade centering, which is perfect already. And let's see. Oof. Guys, so let's just check for blade play. There's none. This is tightened all the way down. I'm telling you, the action is probably a little bit better because there was a little bit of thicker grease. Now this is oof. Oh, come on, guys. Yeah, are we happy? I think we're pretty happy. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.